So let me walk you around my Hero Xpulse. It's a 2020 model, bought early January. It is pretty stock as of now. A few points I've changed already. The reflectors came off yesterday, more accidental. On the front I've removed the license plate and changed it with a sticker. The guards I took off for now. Planned on doing a modification with a different handlebar. That's for later. Stock is exhaust is still stock, as you can see. I did drop it once, so I have some scratches. Did get from Hero a replacement part for 375 rupee. That's a good price, I think, just to make it look good again, in case you drop it, which I did. It's very easy to get some black paint and paint it there. I dropped it at 0 miles an hour, so that was no issue. At the back you can see I put two modifications, which were actually pretty easy to install. They were from a website called Speed Auto Lab, also known as Project 83X. And there is the back carrier plate, 850 rupee on the website, and there is another one which is the tail tidy. Oh, zooming in there, the tail tidy, and the tail tidy is a very nice solution to remove that ugly long what do you call it, the mud guard, which was there before. So remove that one. The installation is really easy. Didn't make a video on it, but for this one my tip would be to loosen when you install this one. The alignment on these four bolts is not great, not necessarily from this plate, but from Hero itself, the plate which is underneath. As you can see here, this thing doesn't really line up very well with these. So my tip would here be loosen also the bolts on these things over here, so that there's a bit more movement in here before you tighten everything up straight. First align the bolts, have everything slightly tight, and then start really torquing everything up. On the tail tidy, I really like this setup. It's very sturdy. It's a bit thick. I think it might be heavier than the original mudguard, but it's very strong. What I did was I followed the instructions, which were super clear, and then I used one of the anchor nuts here at the back, which came from somewhere of that mudguard. They're you can use them very easily to mount the bolts of your particular license plate, because these are the fixed points also on the fixed mudguard. So that works out really well. I think what I like about this design is the light is there, the mount for the light is there. It looks very factory. I think very pleased with this result. This was 850 rupee. That was 800 rupee, and I don't think you can really bother for that kind of money. Good value, clear installation. Super modification as far as I'm concerned. Then also, of course, the sari guard is being removed. My wife doesn't wear saris. I have a couple of other modifications planned, for which I also make some videos. Be very exciting. Would like to remove the entire exhaust because it's pretty ugly. But that will entail quite a few things, and on that I'll make another video.